Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how do you make a group on Snapchat. So basically a Snapchat is a social media platform where you can connect to many people at the same time. So if you create a group on Snapchat, then many people will send you the snaps using Snapchat, and in this way you can simply increase your snap score on Snapchat very fast. So basically it is a method to increase your snap score. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So I will tell you how you can create a group on Snapchat. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on that chat option here, and after that what you have to do here, you have to simply click on new group, and after that here you have to simply select the group name, and after that you have to simply provide here any emoji for the group name. For example, I am providing here, and after that you can simply add a number of friends in your group members, and after that what you have to do, you can simply click on chat with group, and after that you can simply create the group with that friends without any problem. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.